Welcome, welcome. I am opening a TMNT Magic Gathering Play Booster. There are some pretty interesting cards in this set. I've enjoyed it. Made a few Turtles decks. Let's see, we got a Rock Soldiers, Tunnel Rats, Tender Eyes, Omni Cheese Pizza, Grounded for Life. Oh, that's two cards. Return to the Sewers, Ice Cream Kitten, Foot Ninjas, Death in the Family, Genghis Frog. Neat. Donatello Turtle Techie, Northampton Farm. Nice. Shiny Tender Eyes, a Mutant Town, and a food token with the reverse side being a Ninja Turtle Spirit. Alright, so the rare is Northampton Farm, which is land. It's tap for colorless, or pay 1, tap, exile target creature you own. Pay 2, tap, sacrifice this land, return a creature card exiled with this land to the battlefield under your control. Return each other card exiled with this land to its owner's hand. Neat. That's pretty good blink ability. Well, thank you for joining me. I hope you have a lovely day.